In this video guide we'll accomplish the following tasks. Delete an existing electric panel 600, number 3. Change position of two electric panels 800. Add new electric panel 800. Delete an existing sourdough tank, number 2. Change position of sourdough tank, number 1. Add new liquid ice machine. Add new liquid ice storage tank. Delete all electric panels from north wall, and put all of them on east wall. Here are some steps you have to follow. Go to main menu, and select the layout. When you see the list of projects, select project number 002A. Select Edit. Zone with a grid will open with already created layout. Find panel 600, number 3. Double-click to select it. Activate the red Delete Instance button. After clicking, confirm your decision. Confirmation removes instance. Drag two panels 800 to correct position on the wall. Watch coordinates X and Y. Select the electric equipment category from the drop-down list. Choose the equipment, electric panel 800. Create instance. Enter the desired parameters, and confirm it by clicking button. New instance appears on the zone. Drag instance to correct position on the wall. Find sourdough tank number 2. Double-click to select it. Activate the red Delete Instance button. Confirm your decision. Confirmation removes instance. Find sourdough tank number 1. Drag instance to correct position on the floor. Select the storage production category. Choose the equipment, liquid ice machine. Create instance. Enter the desired parameters, and confirm it by clicking button. New instance appears on the zone. Drag instance to correct position on the floor. In the same way we are doing with the liquid ice storage tank. The layout for project 002A is ready. Delete all electric panels from north wall. Select electric equipment category. Choose the equipment, electric panel 600. Create instance. Enter rotate 90 degrees. New instance appears on the zone. Drag instance to correct position on the wall. Do the same with remaining elements. The layout for project 002A is ready.